Sting-a-ling-a-ling, when me hear go on a sting, Popcaan turn Van Damme and I kick down everything. Yeah! Ryno.
This is Gaza.
Me nah go movies again. Me no want nothing to do with no Popcaan. Because Popcaan too RASS bad. And for those who no see the video yet, me no see it yet, but my Facebook wall blast up. Say how Popcaan kick it Black Ryno. Ryno, how this thing a fi get stung? How Ryno, how? Ryno. Ay. Oh. 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 Ryno, now you say, go lick you pick me. A man can call me on a stage fi kick me. Well, you never say it exactly like that, but you get what I mean. Then how you make little Popcaan turn in a Van Damme, Chuck Norris, Bruce Lee, Jet Li, Ong Bak, Karate Kid? How you make little Popcaan Karate Kid kick the shit out of you? Kick you off a stage? Or if you come and kick you off a stage, bossy? Oh, you make that happen, my boss? Now if anybody did doubt say Vibe Cartel was a teacher, disapprove say the man are the best goddamn teacher ever. I remember him and Ninja Man and it then they see him foot. And Popcaan was learning. Vibes Cartel take back Popcaan like Gaza. He was learning. And Ryno never did learn to backside. And Ryno did up in the ranks one time. Can't believe Ryno make Popcaan kick him down. Kick him off a stage.
This is Gaza. With beer badness back of that.
Boy Ryno, the Lily Popcaan take care of turning in a football over steam. Mr. Whitmore, we know say reggae boys them now do too wonderful. Recruit Popcaan. Popcaan are the new Ronaldo. Popcaanaldo. And that I new name. Popcaanaldo. Popcaan is the new martial arts specialist. Hey, me I hear say Popcaan say, yow! Any boy put a foot and get kick in a chest, nose, face and lip. Yow! You know how people tell other people them better kick like Van Damme? We are change you up. You better kick like Popcaan. Popcaan, you better kick like. You know how people have said them a open up a can of whoop ass? Now I use that no more. When I tell people say I gotta kick their ass, say yo, hey boy, who you talk to? Man, me I forgot the concession stand and open up a jug of Popcaan. Me don't know sir. Popcaan could be a stunt double for Billy Blanks any day. Me never know say I saw the man could have kick. Me never know. People look out for Popcaan new move, the Gaza Karate Kid. Look out for your remix of Gangnam Style. Kick it Popcaan style. Right now people me feel say Popcaan for put down the DJ thing because he has established himself as one of the greatest martial arts Gaza Kung Fuists to ever come out of Empire. Me hear say the new Ong Bak movie, right? They are currently searching for a lead actor to play the male role. And me honestly feel say you fi try out feet. Me feel so. You fi try out feet. Me positive say I go get that part there when they see your resume. Had some of the hottest tracks in the island. Ex-member of the Gaza. One-time right-hand man of the world boss. Bad charges with Drake from the famous Chris Brown brawl. Kicked a Ryno. And not just any Ryno. A Black Ryno. Oh sir, me? No, me not eat enough of my Popcaan again. Me not got movies no more. Not even want to see the liquor Popcaan you put in a microwave. The Popcaan I get too bad sir. I kick off man off a stage. Boy Ryno you not look too good on your part at all. How this thing I manage to get stung? Me no know. But guess what? At the end of the day, you can't really pay attention to these entertainers. That is just what they are. Entertainers. Who knows? They may have been paid to carry out this whole charade, which I doubt. Cause nobody could pay me if take no whoop ass, no kick off a stage. Yo, Kevin. Yo. Me I pay you a meal if you get kick off a stage over stage. What is it? Kick me off a stage? 1 mil. For 1 mil? Zine? Man, they must be mad to bumbo. But here, I give me 3 mil, and me make him beat me up the whole year. 3 mil. Beat me up. If you put in 6 mil, me make him juke out me 3 item. I'm a boss. Putting fun and jokes aside, it's never a good sign when dancehall artists feel like say them need to get physical for prove who are the best. Keep it lyrical at all times. Unless push come to shove and a man threaten your space or a man threaten your life on some different level, you know what I mean? But keep it lyrical at all times. Even the females are catching on to the bullshit right now. Spice and Maca Diamond, Maca versus Lady Saw, Tifa versus Lady Saw. Dancehall people on a need for like unite. The whole on a need for unite. Come together. Bring dancehall together before you make outside artists, which is already happening. Outside artists get more hype over UNNUH because all you do a cuss and fight. You see the go hard thing what Wayne Marshall do with Bunty and Gang and Cartel and Donia. I saw the music for stay and nobody get physical. People might not know say yo, this a part of the life and the whole act and everything, and they might take it to a different level. level and start kill off them one another. Squish this whole war and bullshit on up. It's kind of a funny thing to, you know, cause it's the same way like how Bunty raised Cartel and Movado and then the two of them end up kick off. Now you see the same thing happen. Cartel bring up Ryno and Blows and Skirt Popcaan and them kick off. The cycle. Don't know Rasta. Sting. Never ceases to amaze me. Each year something different. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.
Quick side note, Popcaan, what got me here, like see you make a kind of loose statement. I don't know what kind of loose statement them they are drop. I don't watch the video for myself yet, but it is alleged that you said, yeah, none of them don't love the world boss like me.
None of them don't love the world boss like me.
That statement they sound slightly gay. Maybe it's just the whole emotions within the whole moment and was it not? I just hope it's just like a brotherly love and not no kind of loom love. You see? Don't make that loose statement there again, Popcaan.